Hi, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make your own lavender hydrosol from scratch, using lavender buds from your own garden and a small copper still. It's the perfect time of year to do this, right before the lavender fully blooms. That's when the buds are packed with essential oils and have the most potent aroma. Here's my little copper still. It's a simple one without a circulating condenser, so we'll need to add ice manually during the process to keep the top part cool. That can help to turn lavender steam into hydrosol. First, pour pure water into the bottom of the still's pot. Just enough so it doesn't touch the steam rack once it's in. Then, place the steam rack inside. Loosely fill in the fresh lavender buds. Don't pack them too tightly. You want the steam to pass through easily. Cover the pot. And make sure everything is tight and secure. Since this still doesn't have a circulation system, we'll add ice directly to the top bowl every 10 to 15 minutes to help condense the steam into liquid. Turn on the heat and bring the pot to a gentle boil. You don't want it too hot, just enough to create steam without overheating your botanicals. As the steam rises close to 100 degrees Celsius, it'll carry the essential components of lavender with it. When it hits the cold condenser, it cools down and drips out as your hydrosol. Collect the hydrosol in a clean container. If you look closely, you might notice a thin layer of essential oil floating on top of the hydrosol. The whole distillation process can take around 3 to 4 hours, depending on how much lavender you're using and the size of your still. It's a slow, gentle process, so please be patient. The best part is the air fills with the most beautiful lavender aroma. The whole room will smell like a spa. It's such a calming and rewarding experience. Once you're done, you can transfer it into a sterilized bottle. Label it with the date. It can last a few months if stored in a cool and shaded place. Lavender Hydrosol smells amazing. It can be used as a facial toner, linen spray, or in DIY skincare. Lavender Hydrosol is especially great for sensitive or dehydrated skin. It's gentle, soothing, and helps to restore balance. You can also soak a compressed sheet mask or cotton pads in the hydrosol and apply it to your face, especially after sun exposure. It works wonderfully to calm down redness, irritation, and heat from sunburn. This makes it a great natural addition to your summer skincare routine. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.